Okay, hello everyone. I have to apologize firstly for not visiting this group in a long time, but then now I'm back. Okay, I remember the last time when I explained some concepts, I explained on how to open trades and all that, because some people are still beginners and they were not familiar with the app itself. So yeah, I showed you guys how to open trades on MT4 or 5, and then I explained what is the spread. Obviously it is the difference between bid price and ask price, and I also explained what is ask price and bid price. Okay, but then I never explained concepts such as buy stop and buy limits, sell stop, sell limit, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. Okay, but then one main thing is okay, I'll explain buy stop and sell stop, and then also sell limit and buy limit quickly. Okay, so now starting with, let's say, buy stop. Okay, buy stop. Here is buy stop here. As you can see, market execution is when it's how I showed you guys the last time we did market execution only, whereby if you buy, it opens the trade immediately, instantly, and if I sell, the same happens again. But again with buy stop. Okay, the buy stop works in such a way that you're placing a buy stop on a price that's above the current price, the current moving price. You place your buy stop which is above that price, ne? Obviously broker allows some kind of minimum points that you can place your buy stop or sell stop. You can't just place it anywhere such that it's much closer to your current price, so it has to have some minimum points between your current price and the stop order that you're placing. Okay, so buy stop, you place it above, ne, in such a way that you are hoping that by the time the chart touches that line, it will open a buy trade. Now it's going to be a trade, no longer an order. So by the time it touches buy stop, then it's going to be a trade. It's going to open a buy. Same happens as sell stop. If it sell stop, you place it below your current price, ne, at some price that you want, but below your current price. Then, but remember, the minimum points should be there. The minimum points required by the broker. You can't place it closer to your current price the same way that you can't with the buy stop. So sell stop works in such a way that by you're hoping that the chart will go down and then touches that sell stop, and by the time it touches that sell stop, it opens a sell trade now. Okay, that's how buy stop and sell stop work. Okay, so in other words, let's say I want to open a buy stop now, then you'll see something a return price there with 00. You either click a negative or positive to show you a current price. Remember, it's buy stop, I have to place it above. Okay, if I just add here, let's say it was 141, I add 161. You see, I still can't place because I haven't met the minimum points required, such that those points will be between the current price and the price that I want to place my buy stop. So let's add, let's say 2 here, 2. Okay, it allows that. Then up there you see here you see 0.01. That's your lot size. If you want to increase it, that's fine. You can place whatever lot size. Remember, lot size acts as a multiplier. The more you put, the more you can gain, or the loss that you can get also, because the higher losses means if you have placed the higher lot size, that means I can encounter higher losses also as well. That can happen if obviously the chart goes into the like opposite direction that I'm hoping in. Like if I see a chart saying, okay, I've analyzed the chart and you're saying it's a buy, you open a buy, but then the chart goes down and you've opened higher lot sizes, of which it's a match for your account. Remember, equity is very important, guys. Your equity is the one that's very important. So in that case, if you place the higher lot sizes, can be a strain over your equity, because now you have to place a lot size that your equity can actually take. Remember, suppose you have 10 USD equity, and then you place your trades with maybe 0.05. That's too much for that equity. Okay, so now Okay, I'm not going to explain that now. I just wanted to explain buy stop and sell stop. Okay, so you'll place that buy stop at 0.01. Okay, it's placed now. See, it's an order there. You go to your chart. Let's view it on H1 to see that line. It's way above. Okay, no, it's euro JPY, euro JPY, euro JPY, euro JPY, euro JPY, euro JPY. Okay, open chart, euro JPY. You see a green dotted line there, buy stop. That's a buy stop, 0.01. Okay, so by the time the chart touches that line, it will open a buy. Yeah? Okay, same thing as sell stop. You do the same thing, but remember, sell stop, you place it below your current moving price, and that's how these things operate: buy stop, sell stop. Then when you come to buy limits and sell limit, this occur in such a way that they are kind of opposite. Buy limit, you place it below, sell limit on top. These ones you can use them as a technique in such a way that I can place my buy limit at probably some major zone, whereby I know that, not really know, but then like according to my analysis, I think that the chart will tend then go upward. So in other words, it will touch my buy limit and go upward. By the time it touches buy limit, it opens a buy. But remember, buy limit it's at below, so that's why I'm hoping that the chart will come down, then bounce at that buy limit, then goes up, then it will touch that buy limit, opens a buy, then it will go up as a buy. That's how buy limit works. Sell limit also works in such a way that you place it above. Remember, now it's opposite to sell stop. Sell limit, you place it above, and then you're hoping maybe that the chart will go up and then touch that sell limit, then bounce there, then comes down. That's how this works. Buy limit, sell limit, same thing when you're placing them. Remember, you see the same thing: lot size, you place your price, and then these two here, let's say here, these are just take profits and stop losses. Okay, those are just sell stop and take profits, but the price is this one. Remember, it's buy limit, you have to place it below. Suppose you want to place it exactly at 129.00, then you just do this, you place. Okay, you place. That's how these things work.